I saw in the last video, I kind of put the car back together, but welcome back to another video. This video, we are going to Raceworz. Not Raceworz, Raceworz. I've never been to one of these events. It's the first time I've heard of it, but they're doing it at Sonoma, which is pretty cool. It sounds like it's kind of the first time everybody else has heard of it too. And it's a 2-day event. Today's Sunday. First day was yesterday of the event, and everybody that went said it was kind of a shit show. So I guess wish me luck. I think there's gonna be a cool amount of stuff going on. I know there's drifting, drag racing, 1320 is there. They're doing like a car audio competition, which is kind of funny. I might be into that. And then they're doing a cars and coffee, which is what I signed this car up for. Now we aren't on the AC Type 2s, kind of a bummer. But I just wanted to get this car to like a drivable standpoint, and the last thing I wanted to worry about is just like rubbing through tires or whatever. And I'll put them on soon. Not yet, but they'll be back on the car soon. We're gonna rock the DS1s for now. It's actually nice to just be able to drive the car, and I was able to like slam it in the back, so I guess that just makes up for it. Anyway, Sonoma's about an hour and a half, and I'm gonna pick up my buddy Connor on the way. It should be a blast. I just hope we don't have to wait in line forever. I guess you're gonna find out. All right, so I'm on my way now. I can't tell if this car drives better or not, because I don't really have it. It's been so long since I've driven it, I don't really remember every little quirk and every little noise, this and that, but it seems to be driving really good. I mean, it still drives straight, which is nice. The power is still there. I know I still have a tiny exhaust leak, but I think that's just gonna be from tightening the manifold bolts over time, because they're just getting loose after the heat cycles, or after the first heat cycle. So I tightened them up after the first one, and I'll probably, after I get home today, when the car's cold again, I'll tighten them again. And I don't think I'll have a leak after that. I'm almost certain that I won't have a leak after that. It's kind of, I guess, the general consensus with these headers. But aside from that, the car runs good and it's performing well. Anyways, we're about, I know, I just left my house. We're about like an hour out, so wish me luck. Actually, I don't need the luck. We'll be there in like an hour and a half. I parked the car. There's no organization here. It's like just kind of free, do whatever. Yeah, park wherever, do whatever. Nobody knew where to go, which kind of sucks. But we're in it. I paid 30 bucks to just not have to park up in the dirt. So there's a lot of cool stuff here. I'm gonna cover everything. It's already pretty cool, like having people take pictures of the car and stuff, because it's been sitting for like 4 or 5 months. So without further ado, I guess I'm just gonna show you some cars. Bunch of cool cars here, like top-notch, like actual cool builds. Nice S13. Alright, so I like that we got the end spot here. We got hella people taking photos of the car, which is kind of cool. But I got the new AC Schnitzer muffler on there. It looks a little weird with like the wheel setup. It's supposed to go with the Type 2s, but it'll do for now. We're gonna go ahead and like continue, walk the rest of the show and see what's up. I really want to check out some of the like higher quality cars here. This thing is fucking crazy. Not for me, but it's cool. You can see it's someone's taste, right? You know what I mean? Yeah, not my taste. That's sick. Big fucking 240 guy over here. Dude, the spec on this is sick. The red interior. bit of E46 M3 action. Pretty cool. 6-speed. So I think I've showed this car before, but this thing is pretty much like a full custom build. Like front subframe, rear subframe, it's all been modified. So he didn't have to like cut anything out of the car. So it's got like a complete interior on a bag setup like this. This is a pretty crazy car, especially the choice of car. The Mustang guy.
Big old Kenny Bell.
This thing is gnarly. The overs are sick, like the ventilated overs. That's dope. With the wheels.
I like how they had the knob on the side there.
Yeah. Yeah, this is actually pretty sick.
So it's a GT500.
This is?
Yeah.
This is a GT500?
Yeah, see, you can see the plate for when it's made there.
No shit, that's crazy.
That's why it has the Kenny Bell on it.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's sick.
How do you feel about the modification of a GT500 in this way?
Oh, I like it.
Oh, okay, cool. That's a pretty crazy like design for a car. I don't know what you would put that in, but it's pretty sick.
I feel like drift cars would hold off.
Yeah, it's definitely a drift car look for sure. Not a fan of the cut up trucks.
Well, I like a single cab. That's my own.
Yeah, I like a single cab. I don't like the cruise or the extended, but I like these wheels. I like these as stocks.
Yeah, that's cool.
If it was lifted on stocks, cool. I don't like hacking up the bed and stuff because I still want to use it as a truck, but the idea is... Huh?
E36.
Nah, hell no. I'm not a rap guy. No rap. Rap is rice. Well, nah. Just not for me. Okay, this is the car I wanted to look at. This thing is nuts.
I do not offer
This thing is nuts. Interesting choice for color. This thing is crazy. So we're in like the audio section. So everything is gonna be loud as fuck. It's an Altima. Oh my god. That is fucking crazy.
149, 15 seconds to go. 10 seconds with the 149.8.
Holy shit.
Probably makes
Dude. That's crazy. Oh, look at the side exit. It's like midnight purple. I think that's what it is probably, like paid tribute to it. Looks almost like techno though. I don't think the size translates on camera, but if you need a size reference, here's a BRZ. Look at this fucking camera. This is crazy. You fucking with the roof box on this or no?
I like it.
You like it?
I like it. It's different. I like it.
Man, that, like this rear end is crazy. No E36. Big ol' L. It's on honestly just so much here to cover. I don't think I'll be able to get to it all. It's a pretty cool event, but it's just really unorganized, so I don't really know what's happening when. This is the first time I've been to an event where they kind of oriented it towards, like, I don't know, younger car culture or just like tuner culture, so it's kind of cool to see that they're having an event like this, because I've never seen something like this. It's cool. The drift track, the little setup they have is sweet, and there's variation. There's literally everything here, so it's definitely cool. Alright, so enjoying our free 𝙀𝙀 energy drink. Shout out 𝙀𝙀. How you feeling about the flavor?
Oh, it's pretty good.
Pretty good.
I have first one. I like it.
Pretty good. Anyways, I just bought a fucking race flip helmet. It was an impulse buy, but I've been meaning to buy a helmet. I think it's gonna push me to autocross the car, so I'm stoked on that. It's a sick color. It's not here yet. I got to avoid sales tax, no fucking sales tax, because it's coming from Texas or whatever. I can't really cover everything, but there's so many cool people, so many cool builds. Definitely a cool event. Everybody was shit talking this event like yesterday. It's pretty good. All considered, it's a little unorganized, but it's pretty big, so I don't blame them. It's just sick. I like it. So I don't know if the color comes across. This color is really, really nice, and it's hiding something. Super nice. With the classy CCA badge. The rain interior is so sick. What would your only other change be?
I would do a different wheel.
Oh, me too.
Apexes are, I like them, but
they're cookie cutter at this point. But it is turbo, so it gets like that. Holy fuck, that is some tire. How sick is that? That is sick. You see the motorsport belts in there, M-Rain, super tasteful. This is probably the yeah, this is a beautiful car. This car is crazy, for real. This is like the perfect, like, track setup, power-oriented car, and it's done really tastefully. Like, the interior is so clean. because I didn't really go over it, but he did start it. It's got T's, which is sick. All the red accents. He says it's 2021. So the ECU isn't unlocked. He just has it running on a JB4, which is pretty sick. And obviously this is like the second iteration of the B58, so I bet this thing is pretty fast. I just love the color. I love these cars. I love the roof line. I don't care what anybody says. These cars got a bunch of controversy, but they are worth the hype. I would totally love to have one of these. The skirt extensions, the lip, the wheels, everything about this is exactly how they built it. The color is sick. It's like a khaki green. Some HREs, brake calipers are sick. Like just color scheme wise, this car is really awesome. Yeah, very tastefully done. I love the color though. This is what I would love to build, a big body slab like this. Super sick. These are fucking awesome. I guess these are Eurolines. I don't know shit about wheels. They look like Eurolines. Yeah. Alright, I think I saw everything I needed to see here. Super cool event. I think it was definitely slept on, and if they do another one, I'll definitely come back. It was super fun. Lots of variation. Cool cars, cool people. The drags were sick. But yeah, I think we're gonna head out. It looks like a couple people have head out already, so I'm gonna go grab some food, wrap it up. But yeah. Okay, hold on.
That's what's up.
Okay, this shit's crazy. What's your name, bro?
Carlos, bro.
Carlos. What's your YouTube channel?
Simple Sleek Builds.
Simple Sleek Builds.
Simple Sleek Builds, bro.
Fuck yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Just like that, we are back. The car did excellent, and I could not be more excited. All right, that is gonna wrap it up for Raceworz 2022. Very cool event. Lots to do, lots of variation. It was like super fun. I think it was a great event. I'll definitely be attending the next one. It was super good vibes. I appreciate everybody that came and said something. There's all like a bunch of people came and said what's up. Some people recognized from YouTube, Instagram, and just like internet friends that you know you get to meet finally is always super cool. So I loved like the community aspect, the vibe. It's just a really good show, super positive, and yeah, it's kind of like refreshing. So definitely a cool meet. They could use a little bit more organization, but is what it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you're enjoying the more E36 oriented content. I know I am. It's been a little too long, and I'm so happy to finally get back into it. So with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.